Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be planning out my monthly calendar for November, and I'll be using the Planner Cake Kit 259. Let's get started. I'm going to start by putting down my headers. And then I'm going to put down my date dots. And then let me mark off my paydays. The 13th is a payday, and the 27th is a payday. And then important dates, the 16th, which is my daughter's birthday. Definitely cannot forget that day. She will be very upset. Also, let me put down days off. So there's Veterans Day on the 11th, which is a day off. And Thanksgiving is a day off. The 24th, my daughter comes home from school, so I've got a big box there for that. I have an appointment on the 3rd. And it's also election day. We will go ahead and put in Veterans Day, which is the 11th. And then also Thanksgiving. Next we have a notes section. I need to strips of washi here. I do have therapy though on Thursdays. That is my November calendar so far. I hope you liked this video and were inspired to decorate your own monthly calendar for the month. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!